Alright, so today what we'll be doing is going to put peanut butter in this cube, and this is how it tried before. Alright, so what we'll be doing is adding some peanut butter, so let's get into it. Alright, so we got the peanut butter. Here, just let me get some. Oh man, why am I doing this? And I'll put some over here. Alright, there. There's peanut butter on my hands. Why'd I do this? Alright, so now peanut butter is in here. So, oh yeah, you can feel it slowing down. Oh, why'd I do this? Look how messy it is. So yeah, if you ever want some lube, do not use peanut butter. So, I know it's kind of a short video, but now, so that's basically it. So, just never use peanut butter as lube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and wash my hands and stuff and clean this cube up. So don't worry, no cubes were harmed. Bye.